Greetings, everyone. Greetings. Today is March 27, 2023. It is 6:51 p.m. All right, so today, last night, this morning, whatever, my dream. I don't remember everything that had happened. I tried to do it early in the morning, but I had so much shit to do this morning, so um, I remember it was me, Tina. So we was at this house. That's what I remember. I remember us being at a house, and my eye twitching, and my we was fixing this house up. I remember my father coming past and to help us, supposed to help us out. Uh, my best friend and her husband came over to help us out, and then there was other people there that was helping us out. So the only part of this dream I remember is going upstairs and my best friend telling me like these steps ain't safe. Don't even step on it. Now for some reason her leg was fucked up. She had a cast on her leg. And what we was doing is we was turned down those steps. And as she go up, because we had to go up on the third floor, and as she's going up, she said this ain't safe. Next thing I know, I heard a crack, and then like the steps, they fucking like booted her back. It's like they kicked her to push her off. Like the shit was crazy. So then she ended up hitting her tailbone, and I'm up there crying. She up there crying. Are you okay? You okay? So my kids get over there. So once I made sure she was all right and everything, um, I'm up there calling her husband, and I'm up there calling my husband, like, y'all come up here and make sure she's okay or whatever. So, and instead of calling 911, like, make sure she's all right. So my husband come up there now. He likes to joke with her all the fucking time, no matter what the fuck it is, and that shit irks my nerves sometimes. So he was like, shit, she alright? He's like, I was like, no, she ain't. She gonna be, something gonna happen. He was like, girl, you dreaming. And I looked at him like, damn, I am dreaming. So Tina, hurry up, popped up like, boo. I said, ain't this about a bitch? That's all I remember. I'll holler at y'all later.